Hi, this is the Maths with Adam, and today we will work with positive and negative numbers. So, first, we will check how can we multiply a positive number by negative number, divide, and how can we add these numbers and subtract. So basically, the we will check how to work with them. So, 3 plus minus 2. So if a plus and a minus sign meeting next to each other or next to a bracket, it will be a minus sign. Okay? So 3 minus 2 equal 3 minus minus 4, or 3 take away minus 4. Minus and minus will be plus. Okay, because it's happy. It's like a face. 3 plus 1, it will be plus sign, and minus and plus will be minus. Okay, this is every time will work. For example, later end of this mini class, you will see I will explain again these things, because sometimes many people say, okay, minus 3 plus minus, so minus and minus it's plus. No, it's not. If you multiply, then yes, but right now from the 3 we will take away the 2. So if we are standing on the number line on the 3, we will step back 2. Okay, this is what it will mean. We will step to the right 4 if we add. We will step 1, we will step back 1. Okay, this is how it will work. Multiplication, plus times minus, so plus 3 times minus 4, it's plus times minus, it's minus, 3 times 4, it's 12. Minus 4 times minus 5, minus times minus, it's plus, 4 times 5, it's 20. This is how it will work. Minus times plus, it's minus, 7 times 1, it's 7. Plus times plus, it's plus, 4 times 2, it's 8. Okay, this is the half. Same with the division or fractions. Plus 4 divided by minus 2, you can write like this, it's minus 2. If you don't write here the brackets, it's perfect. I prefer use the fraction line as a division sign, because later this will be really important. You will see if you will solve equations and inequations with fractions where you can find unknown on the top and the bottom, so the numerator in the denominator, it will be a really big help. Okay, you can see the minus divided by minus, it's plus. So minus 10 divided by minus 2, minus divided by minus, it's plus. 10 divided by 2, it's 5. Also, if you want, you can just leave the brackets and the plus 5, positive 5 basically, it will be just 5. Okay, first problem, fill in less than or bigger than to make a true statement. I will use the green color. 3 is bigger, less than the 5, or 5 is bigger than the 3. Every time will be the bigger where the where the little mouth just open. So it's want to eat the 5 because this is the bigger. This is the easiest way to learn, and you will not make mistakes with the signs. Okay, minus 10 is less than the 0, so 0 is bigger than the minus 10. So this little sign want to eat the 0. 12 is bigger than the 3. 6 is bigger than the minus 4, because it's a negative number, and the positive number will be every time bigger than a negative number. Here also it's a negative. And okay, the 0, it's not a negative or positive, but it's bigger than the minus 10. Okay, here it's really useful if you just write number line. Okay, the minus 2 is bigger than the minus 11 because it's closer to the 0, and minus 12 bigger than the minus 20 because it's closer to the 0 again. Or the distance between the 0 and the minus 12 is less than the between the minus 20 and the 0. It's the same. Okay. Arrange the following number in ascending order, so from the lowest to the highest. I will use the same green. To me, in the easiest way, I just go through the numbers. Minus 8, 7, 10, 0, minus 1, 12, and 8. This will be the lowest. Minus 8. Minus 1. And I just sign them. 0. As you can see, this is whole numbers, so later we will work with fractions and decimals too. But right now, it's 5, 7, 8, 10, and 12, the last one. 10 and 12. And we used all the numbers and they are following each other. Okay. Next one. Study the temperature graph and answer the question. Here will be some question. What can we see here? There is some temperature and some days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, first question, we can see it starts with basically a Sunday. -2, -4, 2. We will search these temperatures, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here is the 0. The 0 is here. Below here, the 0, it's the negative area, and this is the positive area. Okay, so these temperatures, positive temperatures, these are negative. What was the temperature on Friday? So we will search Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it's on the -6. Okay, so this is the day and this is the value on the day. This is, if we read a graph, the value of the graph will be on the y-axis and the place will be on the x-axis. Okay, there will be not Sunday and Monday, there will be numbers. We'll talk about this later. Okay, -6 degree. -6 degrees Celsius. What is the difference between the lowest and the highest temperature? Highest temperature is here. We can see this one here. And the lowest is -6. So 0, 1, 2, and this will be the 3. So the difference between them is 9 degrees. Because I need to step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to reach the 3. Or if you just write -9, it's also will be correct, because then we will go down from the 3. Okay, but I prefer to use basically what's the difference between, what is the distance between these two, and it's a positive number, so it's 9 degrees Celsius. But if you write just negative, it's also correct. How much did the temperature drop from Saturday to Sunday? 3, it will be 1, so it's dropped 2 degrees Celsius. And if I just write 2 degree, it's say it's dropped, so it will go down, so we don't need to write the minus sign here. Okay. And also back to here, if you just, what is the difference between the lowest okay, there was a problem in an IGCSE exam and they accept the -9 and the +9 too, so this is why I said you can use both of them. But yeah, difference between the lowest -6 and the highest temperature is +3. Okay, and it's, if you just basically write down what they ask, -6 take away +3, it will be minus, so -6 -3 take away 3, it will be -9. It's also correct. Okay, so solve the following problem. This will be the last one. It's I just wrote random numbers, we'll work this out. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say in the first part here, that we will use this one, and I will talk about here what I wanted to say and explain. Here you will see with a concrete. No, it's concrete is something else. With an example, easy to say. Okay, sorry. So minus times minus, it's plus, times minus, it will be minus. Okay, so it's basically, you can solve first these two, these two number you multiply, it will be plus 50 times minus, it will be minus 100. Plus 7 take away plus 10. Okay, so basically it's 7 minus 10, it will be minus 3. Minus 12 plus minus 12, minus and plus, it's minus, so minus 12 minus 12 take away 12, minus 24. And here many students just make the mistake that minus and minus, it will be plus. No, it will be not plus. If you multiply or divide, then yes, but here we add to the minus 12 to another minus 12, so basically we take away the 12 from the minus 12. Okay, so minus and minus here will be not plus. Next one, plus 240 divided by minus 60. I will write this as a fraction. No, we don't need the plus sign here, we can leave, okay, because plus a something equal with a, we know this. Okay, this is a 2, so we can just leave. Divided by minus 60, it will be minus, and I can simplify the fraction, so 24 divided by 6, it will be minus 4. You can put here the bracket, but you don't, but it's not necessary. Normally I will not write, sometimes I will write, I don't know, it depends, never mind. Plus 7 times minus 11, plus 10 is minus, it's minus 7 times 11, it's 77. It's happy. 9 take away minus 21, so 9 minus minus 21, it will be plus 21, it will be 30. Plus 10 divided by minus 3, plus divided by minus, it's minus 10 divided by 3, it's 10 over 3. If you want to write, it will be 3.3, and it's a pure decimal, so the 3 will repeating many times, infinite times. Okay, minus 5 times plus 7 minus times plus 6, minus 5 times 7, 35. Okay, so be careful with these problems. It can be tricky. If you need, just write it plus 50 times minus 2. Write it down again. Okay, step by step. Here I solved in my head. So it's plus times minus. It's minus 50 times 2. It's 100. Okay, that's for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will meet in the next problem. See you.